I'm going to be testing out a new Charlotte Tilbury palette. This is a small little quad. It retails for $53. It is called the Charlotte Tilbury Luxury Palette Pillow Talk Collection. They do have 3 different variations of this. I received this for my review from the Influenster app. I've mentioned that app before. Not required to make this video, but why wouldn't I? Like, I want to review this for you, swatch it, make some looks, and tell you what I think about it. Really buy like a lot of quads. I like the longer palettes, but that's just me. It says a shimmer finishes without parabens, and let me quickly show you what it is. The back of it, the Pillow Talk Luxury palette. When I saw these shades, I was like super excited because I don't know. They have 3 different variations, like I said, and I like this one. A nice mirror are these shades. I will try to like zoom in well so you can see them. I'm also going to be using these brushes here from Real Techniques. I don't know if this is like their new collection. So it's a 4-step eyeshadow quad with buildable, non-creasing formulas and pigmented shades for a day to night. Colors are Prime, Enhance, Smoke, and Super Pop. I'll leave a playlist of all the other eyeshadows that I have reviewed. If you would like to see like different looks in the description, you can click on that, or I'll also leave it in the comments. I'll pin it. First shade I'm going to swatch is this one here. These colors are really light, so we're just going to have to see the payoff. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's not applying a lot of pressure. Be this shade here. I love that this is more like cool tone shades. Well, I think they're cool tone. They're not too warm, which I'm happy about. And I'll swatch this one. Okay, I like that this one is pigmented. Love it, because I need some like kind of darkness, you know, darker color like in the outer corner. I like that. Now this one, which I'm most excited about, and let's see what that's gonna perform like. My first time trying Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows, so I hope it doesn't disappoint. So really quickly, I'm just gonna take this brush shade here. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna place it first like right here on the socket. Just gonna blend it back and forth. Right now it looks good. I can see the colors showing up. Some more blending. I like to bring the eyeshadow higher. Colors are really light, but they're perfect for an everyday wear. I will go into this darker shade, and I'm placing that in the outer corner mostly. And I'm just blending it. I'm looking for a smaller flat brush to apply this color in the middle. Color that we haven't used. Place that with a flat brush. Really gonna pat in that color, not really blend much. And I'm gonna start placing it here. Just like where that color ended. I don't know if it's this brush, but I don't feel like I'm picking up a lot of product. Hopefully. Also try to do it with my finger after, or maybe switch brushes just so I can see what's going on with this shade. This is, and those 2 were MAC brushes. Yeah, I feel like maybe it was the brush that wasn't picking up a lot of product. I'm going to try to switch brushes again. You don't have to, I just want to be really precise, so I'm using this very small brush to this glitter shade or shimmer shade. And I'm packing a nice amount, and I'm gonna start pressing it. If you want to use shadow shields, that would be good. So I'm just placing that here. Take some with my finger and see. I think they're just like, you see, I'm like dipping my finger in there. I feel like it is really like hard pressed in the palette, but the finger, when you do it with your finger, it'll just look a bit better. That's with any palette. So I'm really trying to pack it because I really want it to look nice and shiny. I do want to take some of this darker shade in this brush just because it's the first one I got. To be more precise, and I'm going to apply that like on the lower lid. Just making sure that I like blending the 2 like the upper lid and the lower lid together. I'm just quickly gonna do this eye. Alright, so I finished my whole makeup. Just put the eyeliner that I tried out today and a pair of lashes. I think it looks nice. Sorry if you hear my dog. I think it looks nice. It's nothing like wow that's gonna stand out like crazy. No, the colors I do like because it's those like rosy shades. I'm really into that. I need something just a little bit darker. You know, if this one maybe was a little bit darker, I would like that, but I think this is beautiful. Beautiful. Definitely like your everyday, you can take it with you, super convenient. The mirror is pretty good, a nice size. They have another two that you can look at those colors if you want. I can link them in the description. I think they were like the most pigmented things, you know, but it's not like it was bad either, and they're not patchy whatsoever. Really easy to use. Close my eyes really quick so you can see. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helped, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!